Introducing the GE Profile GeoSpring, Nating, one of the most advanced heat pump water heaters available today. It's up to 4.7 times more efficient than a standard electric tank, helping you cut energy costs instantly. Thanks to its integrated mixing valve, you get up to 80 gallons of hot water from a 50-gallon tank. With multiple flex capacity modes, you can switch settings anytime to match your hot water needs. For added safety, the automatic water shutoff valve protects your home by stopping the water flow during a leak.
And with built-in Wi-Fi, the SmartHQ app gives you full control to switch modes, schedule heating, and monitor performance right from your phone.
The GeoSpring installs easily and converts warm air from your garage into efficient hot water for your home. Start saving energy and saving money. Shop now at ACUNITSFORLESS.com.